Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to the session CS8791 Cloud Computing. In today's session, we will cover Unit First, Introduction to Cloud Computing, Multiple Choice Question and Answer. Let's begin the session. First question is blank space computing refers to applications and services that run on a distributed network using virtualized resources. Okay, guys, this is pretty simple definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to applications and services that run on a distributed network using virtualized resources. Okay, correct answer is option B. Next question, point out the wrong statement. Here, option A is the massive scale of cloud computing systems was enabled by the popularization of the internet. This statement is true. Okay. Now option B, soft computing represents a real paradigm shift in the way in which systems are deployed. This statement is false because soft computing works on fuzzy logic system. Okay, not to be represent a real paradigm shift in the way in which systems are deployed. Okay, that's why option B is incorrect and wrong statement. And option C is cloud computing makes the long-held dream of utility computing possible with a pay as you go infinity scalable universally available system. Yes, it's definitely true. It's correct statement. That's why here correct answer is option B and wrong statement is also option B. I hope it's clear. Next question. Blank space as a utility stream that dates from the beginning of the computing industry itself. Correct answer is option B, computing. Computing as a utility is a dream that dates from the beginning of the computing industry itself. Next question, which of the following is essential concept related to cloud? So the essential concept related to cloud is abstraction. Okay. At the other hand, reliability, productivity, they both are advantages of cloud computing, not to be cloud concept. Okay. Next question, point out the wrong statement. Here, option A is all applications benefit from deployment in the cloud. This statement is wrong because different types of cloud computing services are available. For example, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. Okay, that's why option A is incorrect. And option B is with cloud computing you can start very small and become big very fast. Yes, this statement is true in the cloud computing. And option C, cloud computing is revolutionary even if the technology it's built on its evolutionary. Yes, this statement is also true. That's why here correct answer is option A. Wrong statement is option A. All applications benefit from deployment in the cloud. This statement is false. Next question, which of the following cloud concept is related to pooling and sharing of resources? Correct answer is option C, virtualization. Virtualization cloud concept is related to pooling and sharing of resources. Next question, blank space has many of the characteristics of what is now being called cloud computing. Correct answer is option A, internet. Internet has many of the characteristics of what is now being called cloud computing. Next question, which of the following can be identified as cloud? Your correct answer is option C, Hadoop. Hadoop can be identified as cloud and as cloud services. Okay. Next question. Cloud computing is an abstraction based on the notion of pooling physical resources and presenting them as a blank space resource. Correct answer is option B, virtual. Cloud computing is an abstraction based on the notion of pooling physical resources and presenting them as a virtual resources. Okay. Next question, which of the following is cloud platform by Amazon? So AWS, Amazon Web Services. It's very popular cloud platform by Amazon. Okay. Next question, blank space model consists of the particular types of services that you can access on a cloud computing platform. Here correct answer is option A, service models consist of the particular types of service that you can access on a cloud computing platform. For example, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. Okay, so here service model consists of the particular types of service that you can access on a cloud computing platform. Next question, point out the correct statement. So option A is the use of the word cloud makes reference to the two essential concepts. This statement is false. Okay. Option B is cloud computing abstracts the system by pooling and sharing resources using virtualization concept. This statement is true. Option B is correct statement. That's why here correct answer is option B. If we are talking about option C, cloud computing is nothing more than the internet, this statement is false because cloud computing and internet, they both are different thing. Okay, and cloud computing is nothing more than the internet. This statement is completely incorrect statement. Okay, next question, blank space refers to the location and management of the cloud's infrastructure. Correct answer is option B. Deployment refers to the location and management of the cloud's infrastructure. Next question, which of the following is the deployment model? Public, private and hybrid. The three are standard deployment model from cloud computing. Okay, so correct answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question, which of the following is the best known service model? So SaaS, IaaS and third one is PaaS. Okay, SaaS stands for software as a service. Option B is infrastructure as a service and option C platform as a service. They three are standard known service model from cloud computing services. At the other hand, different sub model are exist, for example database as a service and other also. Okay, that's why here correct answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question, the blank space model originally didn't require a cloud to use virtualization to pool resources. Here correct answer is option B, NIST model. The NIST model originally didn't require a cloud to use virtualization to pool resources. Next question, blank space model attempts to categorize a cloud networks based on four-dimensional factors. Here correct answer is option C, cloud cube. Cloud cube model attempts to categorize a cloud network based on four-dimensional factors. Okay. Next question, how many types of dimensions exist in cloud cube model? So four types of dimensions exist in cloud cube model. Guys, this is your cloud cube model structure. Okay, and in cloud cube model, four dimensions are exist. They are first one internal and external, second one proprietary and open, third one deperimeterized and fourth one is in-sourced and outsourced dimension. Okay, in this way four types of dimensions exist in cloud cube model. Okay, next question, which of the following is owned by an organization selling cloud services? Correct answer is option B, public. Public is owned by an organization selling cloud services. Next question, point out the wrong statement. So here wrong statement is option C, AAAS. So firstly, AAAS stands for Analytics as a Service. Okay. Analytics as a Service provides virtual machines, operating system, applications, services, deployment frameworks, transactions and control structure. This statement is wrong statement because Analytics as a Service provides subscription based data analytics software and produces through the cloud. Analytics as a Service typically offers a fully customizable BI solutions with end-to-end capabilities, organizing, analyzing and presenting data in a way that lets even non-IT professionals gain insights and take actions. Okay, so option C is incorrect. Next question, blank space provides virtual machines, virtual storage, virtual infrastructure and other hardware assets. Okay, it's included in infrastructure as a service, IaaS. So infrastructure as a service provides virtual machines, virtual storage, virtual infrastructure and other hardware assets in cloud computing services. Okay, Next question, which of the following provides deployment frameworks and control structures? Correct answer is option C, platform as a service. Platform as a service provides deployment frameworks and control structures. Next question, point out the wrong statement. So here option A is a platform as a service adds integration features, middleware and other orchestration and choreography services in the infrastructure as a service model. This statement is true. Okay, correct. Option B is XAS. XAS का मीनिंग होता है गाइज यहाँ पर आप ABCD, X मीन्स कोई भी किसी भी टाइप की क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग सर्विसेज ले सकते हैं. मे बी प्लेटफॉर्म एज ए सर्विस, डेटाबेस एज ए सर्विस, एनालिटिक्स एज ए सर्विस. ओके, इट्स अप टू यू. जहाँ पे हमें ABCD आल सर्विसेज इंक्लूड करनी होती है वहां पर हम मेंशन कर देते हैं XAAS. ओके, XAAS और एनीथिंग एज ए सर्विस. XAAS मीन्स एनीथिंग एज ए सर्विस is the delivery of IT as a service through hybrid cloud computing. This statement is true. Okay, option C is monitoring as a service. MAAS is at present still an emerging piece of the cloud jigsaw. This statement is also true. Okay, so in this way here correct answer is option D, none of the mentioned. Next question, blank space is a complete operating environment with applications managed and users interface. Correct answer is option B, software as a service. Software as a service is a complete operating environment with applications, management and users interface. Okay. Next question, how many types of service model are mainly present in cloud? So 3 types of service model are mainly present in cloud. Okay. Standard types of service model are 3: private, public and hybrid. Okay. That's why correct answer is option C. Next question, the 3 different services model are together known as the blank space model of the cloud computing. Correct answer is option A, SPI. The 3 different services model are together known as the SPI. Okay, and SPI is an acronym for the most common cloud computing services model. First one, software as a service, SaaS. Second one, platform as a service, PaaS. And third one, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Okay, so SPI model of cloud computing. Next question, CaaS stands for blank space as a service. So CaaS stands for communication as a service from cloud computing. Okay, here correct answer is option D. Next question, which of the following is the infrastructure as a service provider? So correct answer is option A, EC2. EC2 is the infrastructure as a service provider. EC2 it's services from Amazon. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is a web services that provides secure, resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It's designed to make web-scale cloud computing easier for developers. Amazon EC2 is a simple web service interface, allows you to obtain and configure capacity with minimal friction. It provides you with complete of your computing resources and lets you run an Amazon's proven computing environment. Okay, that's why EC2 is the infrastructure as a service provider. Okay, so here correct answer is option A, EC2. Next question, how many types of security boundary values exist in Cloud Cube model? Correct answer is option B, 2. Okay, 2 types of security boundary values exist in Cloud Cube model. There are 2 types depending on the firewall network. Okay. Next question, which of the following is related to the service provided by cloud? Correct answer is option A, sourcing. Sourcing is related to the service provided by cloud. Okay. Okay guys, now let's wind up the session. See you in the next session. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And wish you very all the best for examination. Thank you.